Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to rotate a logo in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's look for logo. Let's use this. This is a logo, for example. Let's use this logo. Now to rotate this logo, it's simple. Just select all the elements of your logo like that, and you can use this rotation icon at the bottom. Sometimes it shows up on the side, just like that. Let's rotate it upside down, and let's rotate it upside down. Another method to rotate a logo in Canva to an exact angle is this one. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Another method to rotate a logo in Canva to an exact angle is this one. I will undo these actions. Same thing, select your logo elements, go to position from this toolbar, click on it, a new side panel opens up. Scroll down to advanced and fill in your rotation angle in this rotate field. I will go with 90 degree, click on enter, and your logo will be rotated to the exact interesting angle. And this is how to rotate a logo in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.